AI tools have been incredible at helping us find solutions faster. Shopify is an e-commerce platform that empowers entrepreneurs to sell anywhere. We run marketing campaigns to bring new merchants to Shopify. The primary metric we want to understand is how many new merchants are coming on to our platform. Previously, we would have people go through and manually build up a few different ways of modeling the outcomes we'd expect, and that was limited to the number of things a person could try. With Gemini, we can iterate through many more ways of modeling the problem and come up with a much clearer, more accurate forecast. Here's an example. We identify an unexplained spike of new merchants joining in the Canadian market. If we were to dive into local data manually, we'd start by checking Canadian activations and regional campaigns. We might find no single source for that growth. This makes it difficult for us to forecast new users or strategically allocate marketing budget for that region. By integrating Gemini as a reasoning layer, we aim to provide our data scientists with more context. The goal is for the agent to recognize that this Canadian sign-up pattern is mirrored across Africa and Southeast Asia, identifying the hidden thread that these are all French-speaking regions. We can then attribute this global halo effect back to a single influencer campaign in France that we otherwise might have missed. Our current benchmark to test this capability is to use previous year's merchant data to see if Gemini can reach an 8% accuracy threshold in matching forecasts to what actually happened. These new Gemini models incorporate a longer horizon more effectively into the predictions and are better at incorporating and iterating on complex hypotheses about our data.
At each iteration.
Over time, the model gets more accurate as it learns more features and the model gets closer and closer to the actuals. What I've been most excited about in these tests is seeing how effectively the models can reason over a large number of decisions they've made previously and continuously bring in new information to build us better and better forecasts. And what this lets us do is test so much more. Using faster models like Gemini Flash as subagents allows us to run hundreds of tests an hour, and we're now only constrained by our imagination for the kinds of things we can run and build with these models.